everyone, Superintendent Galvan here, the proud superintendent of the Salinas Union High School District for your video message this week. First of all, I want to just give a shout out to two of our media arts programs, one over at Everett, Alvarez, and the other one over at Alisal High School. I was able to visit this week our students who are ready for the media and entertainment industries, and I was interviewed by their students over there. Excellent experience, great job to our students at Alisal High School. Equally important, I want to give a shout out to three of our sports medicine programs over at Salinas High School, as well as at North Salinas High School and at Alisal High School. I was able to see some beautiful pictures of a Fresno State trip by one of our teachers, Teacher Gina over at Salinas High School. Great job to all of our schools for really elevating and highlighting the amazing careers that our students can enter into. Also this morning, we had a few cafecitos. On Tuesday, I hosted my superintendent cafecito. Thank you so much to everyone who came out. Earlier today, we had the Hardin Middle School and the Alisal cafecito. Thank you to our parents for going to those as well. You are really important in elevating the voice and making sure that our district is serving you and your child. Also want to share over at Hardin Middle School, you might have seen on our social media, virtual reality headsets are in full motion. Kids are integrating with technology in their classrooms, and we're super proud of our students and our team members who are leading those devices. And then learning walks this week continue to just really walk into classrooms, visit our schools, and see some really great teaching lessons happening and team members. And so this week also got to walk through a few more of our schools. As we enter the holiday season, I want to remind you that as we come back, our LCAP is going to be in full force. We want your opinion. We want your desire. We want to hear from you on how we should use our funds to serve our students and our community. Also want to share with you that the holidays, as I mentioned before, can be a very joyous occasion, but it also can bring about sadness if a member is no longer part of your family. And with that, I wish you well. I wish you happy holidays. I wish you wonderful hugs and love with those around you. And when you come back on January the 12th, which is a Monday, that is a certificated workday. And so we won't have students yet, but we will welcome all of our babies back on January the 13th, ready to teach you for the spring semester. Thank you so much again for all that you do, for being a part of the Salinas Union High School District. And thank you to you for being our partners. Have a happy holiday. We wish you well, and we'll see you in 2026.